It's the thought of being young when your heart's just like a drum, beating louder with nowhere to guard it. When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along.
So let's see what's in the Peaches version right now. Okay, I really like this orange. This is super cool. So bright. It's definitely the brightest like album that I'm gonna have. Okay, so photo book. We're to open that. Poster. Let's check this out. Okay. As I said in the previous video, these posters are such good size. Stickers. So I saw them do the unboxing video for their album, and like the decorating the CD box was super cool, and I was like I didn't know that's what these were for. It looked super cool when they did it, and I was like, I should do that. I should really do that. I think that would be really cool. Like, I thought this whole Americana car wash theme was something that's definitely new to K-pop, and I personally thought it was such a cool way to go this time around, and it was just so different than anything that they've previously done or that I've seen in K-pop. The Americana theme was so cool. The denim that they had also on a Permission to Dance video. Also, I think Permission to Dance hits like way over like 100 million, which is gotta be a crazy record for YouTube. So it's pretty cool how they're just connecting with so many people throughout the world right now. And in like a relatively short amount of time, like ever since Dynamite, they've kind of been just like sprouting through like all parts of the world. It's pretty crazy how the music can like impact so many people so fast through like the internet. Through the whole year of COVID, like the internet streaming and everything has just been able to reach people so fast, I think, and it's pretty amazing how that happened actually, and how worldwide that BTS is being a K-pop band. I think that's pretty cool as well. To the beach. From the car wash to the beach. Okay. J-Hope lifeguard. Look at that. That's
Just walk, don't walk tonight. 'Cause we don't need permission to dance. When the nights get colder and the rhythm's got you falling behind, just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye.
I haven't seen, this is like, it's just a bright theme to use, and I think they just had perfect timing for this. BTS seems to have like perfect timing for what they do. Another reason why I think it's able to connect with so many people like at the right time is another thing. I'm super excited. I gotta jump off the car. That's pretty cool. So thanks so much for joining me today, guys. Like, share, and subscribe to my page. I am BTS Army, as well as a multi-stan as well. So like, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go stream Permission to Dance. Bye. Thanks, you guys.